Making health happen. This is what we commit to Thai people. AstraZeneca is a science-led, patient-focused global pharmaceutical business committed to transforming the future of healthcare and the health of people, society, and the planet. Over the decades, we have invested in whatever it takes to make health happen through life-changing innovative vaccines and medicines, transforming patient outcomes, increasing access to healthcare, and making healthcare systems sustainable and resilient. From prevention and awareness to diagnosis and treatment, we partner with public and private organizations across the ecosystem to develop and scale up innovative and holistic health solutions to transform the lives of as many Thai patients as we can for improved outcomes and better quality of life. Our belief in the power of science is sustained and growing. We drive transformative change to make a positive impact on patients. Here at AstraZeneca, we are committed to pursuing research, innovations, and breakthroughs by harnessing the power of science to make health happen for Thai people.